Hey. What did I say about saying my apologies?
Hey now, give them some privacy.
Cornelia, there's something I have to tell you.
What is it?
Well, when I said I'm here to save you, there's a reason why I did. Your father told me that we can never be because you're supposed to marry Prince Carlos.
Wait, what?
Cornelia, I
don't quite understand. My father told you that I was going to marry Prince Carlos?
Cornelia.
And what if I refused the proposal?
You see, it's not up to you, Cornelia. I needed to save you.
But you won't be able to protect me forever, Marcus.
Cornelia?
I'm no ordinary person, Marcus. I'm the next heir to the throne of Sacria.
You marry Carlos, and it won't be Sacria anymore.
Why would it have to be specifically Carlos that I marry?
Because Sacria and Filene are two of the strongest kingdoms.
But father would want control of it. King Luther would still have title as king if we marry anytime soon. Something doesn't match up.
Maybe. Time could only tell us. We'll just have to wait. Then maybe more pieces of this puzzle will fall into place.
Yes, maybe. But time is not on our side. We don't have time to wait. I can't hide for long.
Cornelia, I may not be able to run away with you forever, but I will forever protect you.
No. We will protect each other. Promise?
Promise.
Marcus, we need you in the bridge.
Alright, come Cornelia.
What?
I'm going to show you around.
It's fine, I'll just stay here.
Oh, come on, Cornelia. Quit being shy.
Wait, Marcus. I can't. I mean...
Yep, I hear you loud and clear.
Did he even notice us?
I suppose not. Now, can you two let them have their privacy next time?
Of course. Right, Vice? Yeah.
Good.
Cornelia, are you awake? Hello, Cornelia.
Marcus, is there something wrong?
Well, I couldn't sleep.
I couldn't either.
Good. Come here.
Where are we going, Marcus?
Shh. You'll see.
I've never seen the moon this big.
The two moons collided into one. Beautiful violet moon.
It's so beautiful.
Come on. This isn't the only thing I wanted to show you. Come on.
I've never seen so many before.
That's because not many of them stay in crowded areas. Crowded areas like your castle. I'm sorry, Cornelia. I didn't mean to.
I'd rather live life like you. When you're happy, you're truly happy. When I seem happy, I I feel a heaviness in my heart.
Cornelia.
Every day of my life, I feel like I'm not really living, never to enjoy the real essence of the word life, forever trapped inside a cage with no way out. Trapped inside with people that are doing nothing more but directing me, controlling me, and even controlling my emotions. I cry only on the inside because I cannot truly cry. That's the only weakness in my father's eyes. But when I was with you, I felt free, I felt happy, and completely without worry about what to say or how to act. When I laughed, it was because I truly was happy. That's why I couldn't forget you, or even stop thinking about you. You made me realize who I truly am, and how I can be. I could have gotten you killed, but I still went to meet you, only thinking of myself. I cannot apologize enough to you, Marcus. It was wrong of me.
The peace of the night remained. The hidden love was deeply revealed. What shall await them after this magical night comes to an end? The all-seeing eyes are hidden in the dark, watching over the lovers. Will this expression of love become the beginning of a future full of light, or the start of a weary and dark road filled with despair?